Hello students, let us do the revision of few topics. Under this, our first question is find the measure of the complement of an angle of 48 degree 36 minute 24 second. See, such type of questions will be asked in 1 mark question. Okay, so just you see this very carefully that how we will solve that to find the measure of the complement of an angle of 48 degree 36 minute and 24 second. See, for this we can write, this can also be written as here we write, see, we write 90 degree because it is complement. So we write 90 degree is equals to how? We can write 90 degree is equals to 89 degree, okay, you tell 59 minute and 60 second. This 90 degree can be written as in this way also. So to find the complement, we have to find the complement. So we can write complement of an angle, complement of an angle, complement of an angle of, what is our angle? 48 degree 36 minute and 24 second. So this can be written as how we are writing the complement, 90 degree minus this one. So this can be written as an angle of what? 90 degree minus this one, 90 degree minus 48 degree 36 minute and 24 second. Okay, so let us do the subtraction. So here we can write degree, okay, minute and second. This you can write in rough part also. As I'm telling you how we will solve, that's why I'm writing in that way. 89 degree, 59 minute and 60 second. Okay, so other part is how much? Minus 48 degree 36 minute and 24 second. Just you do the subtraction. Here 10, 6, 5 minus 2, 3. After that 9 minus 6, 3, 5 minus 3, 2 and 9 minus 8, 1 and 8 minus 4. What? 4. So here our value is 41 degree 23 minute and 36 second. So here we can write an angle of how much? An angle of, how much we got? An angle of 90 degree minus this one, an angle of 41 degree 23 minute and 36 second. Is that okay? So we can write, hence the measure of required angle, hence the measure of required angle, hence the measure of required angle. Okay, hence the measure of required angle is equals to how much? You tell 41 degree, okay, 23 minute and 36 second. Okay. Now see, similarly we can find the measure of the supplement of an angle. So here what is the term given? Supplement. Supplement means how much? 180 minus. Okay, so here similarly we will follow the same pattern. We can write 180 degree is equals to 179 degree minus 179 degree 59 minute and 60 second. So supplement of an angle of this one, we have to find the supplement of an angle of 87 degree 28 minute and 43 second. So for this again we will subtract. We will subtract with what? 179 degree 59 minute and 60 second. Here minus 87 degree 28 minute and 43 seconds. So after subtracting, here 7, 5 minus 4, 1, 9 minus 8, 1 and 3, again 9 minus 7, 2 and this much 9. So here our value is 92 degree 31 minute and 17 second. So we can write here that supplement of an angle of 87 degree 28 minute 43 second is equals to an angle of 180 degree minus this one as we have written, and after subtracting our value is an angle of 92 degree 31 minute and 17 second. So we can say that hence the measure of the required angle is equals to how much? 92 degree 31 minute and 17 second. See, this you try twice or thrice and just you try to solve the question of this type by yourself. Okay, and in the next class we will do some other topic. This much for this class. Till then, have a good day.